Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Ignited.
Hi, everyone.
I'm Adam, and this is Sarah. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, we have something fun for you today.
That's right. But first, if you enjoy this podcast, please subscribe.
Yes, click that subscribe button.
And don't forget to like this video. It really helps us.
We love your support.
Okay, Sarah, are you ready to learn today?
Yes, what are we learning?
Today, we're talking about something very simple but very important.
What is it?
Something you see every single day.
Every day? Oh, I'm curious.
The weather.
The weather. Yes, we talk about weather all the time.
Exactly. In English, people talk about weather everywhere, at work, with friends, with family.
That's true.
So today, we'll learn simple weather words, easy words you can use tomorrow.
I like easy words.
Perfect. Let's start. Sarah, what's the weather like today?
Today? Well, it's sunny.
Great. Sunny. Let's say it together. Sun-y. Sunny.
Sun-y. Sunny.
Excellent. When the sun is in the sky, we say, it is sunny.
It is sunny.
Yes. Now, Sarah, sometimes there is no sun. There are clouds in the sky.
Oh, clouds. Yes, I know clouds.
Good. When there are many clouds, we say, it is cloudy.
It is cloudy.
Perfect. Cloud-y. Can you say it slowly?
Cloud-y. Cloudy.
Wonderful. So we have two words now, sunny and cloudy.
Sunny and cloudy. Adam,
Yes?
what about when water falls from the sky?
Ah, great question. That's rainy.
Rainy.
Yes. When water falls from the sky, it's rain. We say, it is rainy.
It is rainy.
Perfect. Now we have three words, sunny, cloudy, and rainy.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy. Got it.
Great. Let's add more. Sarah, in summer, how does the sun feel?
The sun feels strong?
Yes, we say it's hot.
Hot.
Exactly. Hot. When the temperature is very high, it's hot.
It is hot.
Good. And in winter, when there's snow and ice?
Oh, I know this. It's cold.
Perfect. Cold. When the temperature is very low, it's cold.
It is cold. I don't like cold.
Many people feel the same way. Now let's learn two more words. They're in the middle.
In the middle?
Yes, not hot, not cold, but comfortable. First one is warm.
Warm.
Yes, warm is nice heat, like a spring day, not too hot.
Oh, I see. It is warm.
Exactly. And the other word is cool.
Cool?
Yes, cool is a little cold, but nice, like autumn.
Autumn. Yes, it is cool.
Perfect. So we have hot, warm, cool, and cold.
Hot, warm, cool, cold. That's 4 words.
Exactly. And one more important word. Sarah, when air moves fast, what is it?
Air moves? Wind?
Yes, wind. We say it is windy.
Windy.
Wind-y. Can you say it slowly?
Wind-y. Windy.
Excellent. So now we have many weather words.
Wow, how many?
Let's count together. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, hot, cold, warm, cool, windy.
That's, 8 words.
Exactly. 8 useful words. Let me say them one more time. Listen carefully.
Okay.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, hot, cold, warm, cool, windy.
Great. Can I try?
Of course.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, hot, cold, warm, cool, windy.
Perfect, Sarah. You did it.
Thank you.
Now let's practice using these words in sentences. It's very easy.
Okay, I'm ready.
We use a simple pattern. It is plus the weather word.
It is sunny?
Yes, it is sunny. That's perfect.
Oh, easy.
Exactly. Let me give you more examples. It is cloudy today.
It is cloudy today.
It is very hot.
It is very hot.
It is cold in winter.
It is cold in winter.
Excellent. You're doing great, Sarah.
Thank you. This is fun.
Now, speaking of fun, let's think about your favorite weather.
My favorite weather?
Yes. Do you like sunny days? Rainy days?
Well, I like sunny days.
Me too. Sunny days are beautiful.
Yes, and I also like cool weather.
Cool weather, like autumn?
Yes, not too hot, not too cold.
That's very comfortable.
Exactly.
And what about rainy days? Do you like rain?
Sometimes. I like rain when I'm inside.
That's a good answer. Rain is nice when you're warm inside.
Yes, with tea or coffee.
Perfect. You see, everyone, we can talk about weather easily. Just use simple words and share your feelings.
It's so useful.
It really is. And that reminds me, there's something interesting about weather and feelings.
Weather and feelings?
Yes, when the weather changes, our feelings can change too.
Oh, that's true.
Yes, it's very interesting. Sarah, let me ask you, when it's sunny, how do you feel?
When it's sunny, I feel happy.
Happy. That's great. Many people feel happy on sunny days.
Yes, the sun makes me, feel good.
Exactly. So we can say, when it's sunny, I feel happy.
When it's sunny, I feel happy.
Perfect. This is a very useful pattern. It's plus weather, I feel plus emotion.
Oh, I see.
Let's practice. When it's rainy, how do you feel?
When it's rainy, sometimes I feel sad.
That's okay. Rain can make some people feel sad.
Yes, the sky is gray, everything is wet.
I understand. But some people like rainy days.
Really?
Yes, some people feel calm when it rains.
Calm. Oh, that's a nice word.
It is. Let's say it together. Calm.
Calm.
Good. So we have feelings now. Happy, sad, and calm.
Happy, sad, calm.
Exactly. Let's add more feelings. Sarah, when it's very hot, how do you feel?
When it's very hot, I feel tired.
Yes, tired. Many people feel tired in hot weather.
Yes, it's hard to work when it's hot.
That's true. The heat makes us tired. We can say, when it's hot, I feel tired.
When it's hot, I feel tired.
Perfect. And what about cold weather, when it's very cold?
I feel uncomfortable.
Yes, uncomfortable. That means not comfortable, not nice.
Uncomfortable. That's a long word.
It is, but it's useful. Let's break it. Uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable. Uncomfortable.
Excellent. So when it's cold, you feel uncomfortable.
Yes, I don't like being cold.
Many people feel the same way. Now, one more feeling. When the weather is perfect, not too hot, not too cold, how do you feel?
Oh, I feel good. Nice?
Yes, we can say comfortable.
Comfortable.
Exactly. Comfortable. When weather is just right, we feel comfortable.
When it's warm, I feel comfortable.
Perfect sentence. You're doing great.
Thank you. So we have, happy, sad, calm, tired, uncomfortable, and comfortable.
Exactly. 6 feeling words. Very useful.
I like these words.
Good. Now let's practice more. I want you to make sentences, okay?
Okay.
Use this pattern. I like or I don't like plus the weather.
I like sunny days.
Perfect. I like sunny days. Can you say why?
Because I feel happy.
Wonderful. I like sunny days because I feel happy.
Yes.
Now try with I don't like.
Okay. I don't like, cold weather
Good. Why not?
because I feel uncomfortable.
Excellent. I don't like cold weather because I feel uncomfortable.
Yes, that's me.
Perfect. You see, everyone? This is how we talk about weather and feelings. Very simple.
It is simple.
Now, Sarah, let me ask you something. What's your favorite season?
My favorite season. I think spring.
Spring. Why do you like spring?
Because the weather is warm, not hot, not cold, and there are flowers.
Beautiful. So you feel comfortable in spring?
Yes, I feel very comfortable.
That's wonderful. I like spring too.
Really? Why?
Because the weather is perfect for walks. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yes, walking in spring is nice.
Exactly. And what about summer? Do you like summer?
Summer? Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Haha, why is that?
Because it's sunny and bright, I like that, but it's too hot sometimes.
I understand. I like summer, but it's too hot sometimes.
Yes, exactly.
Good. And winter? How do you feel about winter?
Winter, I don't like winter very much
Why not?
because it's cold and it gets dark early.
Yes, that's true. Winter days are short.
I feel, a little sad in winter.
That's okay. Many people feel that way.
Really?
Yes, when it's dark and cold, people can feel sad or tired.
Oh, I'm not alone.
No, you're not. It's very common.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Now, let me teach you something useful.
Okay.
When you talk to people, you can ask, how do you feel about this weather?
How do you feel about this weather?
Yes, this is a great question. Let's practice. I'll ask you, okay?
Okay.
Sarah, how do you feel about rainy weather?
I don't like it very much. I feel a little sad when it rains.
Good answer. Now you ask me.
Okay. Adam, how do you feel about hot weather?
Well, I don't love it. When it's too hot, I feel tired and uncomfortable.
Me too.
See, we have the same feelings.
Yes, this is fun.
It is. Talking about weather is a great way to connect with people.
I agree.
And you know what? After you talk about weather and feelings, you can ask about someone's plans.
Plans?
Yes, like, what will you do today? Or what's the weather like tomorrow?
Oh, that's useful.
Very useful. And actually, that's a perfect question to learn next.
What question?
The question is, what's the weather like? This is the most common weather question in English.
Really? The most common?
Yes, people ask it every day.
Wow, then I need to learn it.
Exactly. So let's practice that question and learn how to answer it clearly.
Okay, I'm ready.
Perfect. So, Sarah, let me teach you the most important weather question.
Okay.
The question is, what's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
Yes, say it slowly with me. What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
Excellent. This question is very common. People ask it all the time.
So I can use it with friends?
Yes, with friends, family, coworkers, everyone.
That's so useful.
It really is. Now, let me ask you. Sarah, what's the weather like today?
Today, it's sunny and warm.
Perfect answer. It's sunny and warm. Very clear.
Thank you.
Now, there's another way to ask. Listen carefully. How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
Yes, this is almost the same question.
So, what's the weather like and how's the weather today?
Exactly. Both questions mean the same thing.
Oh, I see.
Let's practice. I'll ask you both ways, okay?
Okay.
What's the weather like in your city?
It's cloudy and cool.
Good. Now, how's the weather there?
It's cloudy and cool.
Perfect. Same answer for both questions.
Easy.
Yes. Now, let me teach you how to answer with more details.
More details?
Yes. Sometimes people want to know, is it very hot, a little cold, very windy?
Oh, like how much?
Exactly. We can use words like very, a little, and not very.
Very, a little, not very.
Yes. Let me give examples. It's very hot today.
It's very hot today.
It's a little cold.
It's a little cold.
It's not very windy.
It's not very windy.
Excellent. These words make your answer better.
I like that.
Good. Now let's practice together. I'll ask, you answer with details.
Okay.
What's the weather like today?
It's very sunny and warm.
Great. How's the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I think it's a little... it will be a little rainy.
Good. You can say, it will be rainy for tomorrow.
Oh, will be for tomorrow.
Yes, it is for today. It will be for tomorrow.
I understand.
Perfect. Let's try again. What's the weather like tomorrow?
It will be cloudy and cool.
Wonderful. You're doing great.
Thank you.
Now, here's something important. When people ask about weather, they often want to make plans.
Make plans?
Yes, like, should I bring an umbrella? Or can we go to the park?
Oh, I see.
So, after you answer the weather question, you can give advice.
Advice?
Yes, like, it will be rainy, so bring an umbrella.
It will be rainy, so bring an umbrella.
Perfect. Or, it's very hot, so drink water.
It's very hot, so drink water.
Excellent. This makes conversations more helpful.
I like this.
Good. Let's practice. I'll ask about weather and you give advice.
Okay.
What's the weather like today?
It's very cold today. So wear a jacket.
Perfect. It's very cold, so wear a jacket.
Yes.
Great job. Now, one more thing. Sometimes the weather changes during the day.
Changes during the day?
Yes, like sunny in the morning, but rainy in the afternoon.
Oh, that happens a lot.
Exactly. So you can say, it's sunny now, but it will be rainy later.
It's sunny now, but it will be rainy later.
Perfect. Or, it's cold in the morning, but warm in the afternoon.
It's cold in the morning, but warm in the afternoon.
Excellent. This is very useful information.
Yes, people need to know this.
Exactly. Now let's do a full practice. I'll be your friend and we'll have a conversation about weather.
Okay, that sounds fun.
Ready? Here we go. Hi, Sarah. How's the weather today?
Hi, Adam. It's sunny and warm today.
Oh, that's nice. What's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow, it will be cloudy and a little cool.
Should I bring a jacket?
Yes, bring a jacket because it will be cool.
Great. Thank you.
That was easy.
See? You did it perfectly.
I did.
Yes, you can talk about weather now.
I'm so happy.
You should be. You learned so much today.
Yes, we learned weather words, feelings, and questions.
Exactly. Let me review quickly. We learned words like sunny, cloudy, rainy, hot, cold, warm, cool, and windy.
Yes.
We learned to say how weather makes us feel, like when it's sunny, I feel happy.
Right.
And we learned the most important questions. What's the weather like and how's the weather today?
Perfect.
Now, everyone listening, it's your turn to practice.
Yes, tell us about your weather.
In the comments, please answer this question. What's the weather like today in your city?
And tell us, how do you feel about the weather?
Yes, do you feel happy, comfortable, tired?
We want to know.
Write your answer in the comments. Use the words we learned today.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video.
Yes, click that like button. It really helps us.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to English Ignited for more easy English lessons.
We make new videos every week.
That's right. We'll help you learn English step by step.
With simple words and fun conversations.
Exactly. So, what are you waiting for?
Write your comment now.
Tell us about your weather. We'll read all the comments.
Yes, we love hearing from you.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for listening today.
Thank you. We hope you learned a lot.
Practice these words every day. Talk about weather with your friends.
It's the perfect way to start conversations.
Absolutely. Remember, learning English is a journey.
And we're here with you.
Every step of the way.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.